I have how do you say sombrero?
Gardener hat.
Garden hat. Garden hat.
The English garden. The English garden.
The English garden. El jardín inglés.
Today we're going to talk about restaurants and eating out. So Sebas, tell me, what's your favorite cuisine?
Is like a plat or like a place.
Cuisine is like the type of food. So from where is the food? So what's your favorite cuisine?
I think my favorite cuisine is from here, from Spanish.
Spain cuisine, Spanish cuisine.
Spain is very similar from Uruguay.
It's very similar to Uruguay. I like Spanish cuisine too, but I also like Italian. Because I think Argentina has more of an Italian flair than
the accent the accent from Buenos Aires. The accent from Buenos Aires is like
sounds like Italian.
Sounds Italian.
What's your favorite thing to eat at a Spanish restaurant?
A Spanish restaurant, I like all from ocean.
Ocean. Oh yes, seafood.
Seafood. The past week, I visit the north of Spain. You know, Asturias, and I eat a lot of.
Yes, I ate a lot.
I ate a lot of seafood. See, and it's fresh.
It's fresh. It's not heavy.
Yeah, it's not heavy, and how do you say it's healthy?
Healthy. So it's also healthy.
Seafood. And I like so much the tortilla patatas.
Oh, so in English they call that Spanish omelet.
It's omelet, yeah.
Spanish omelet.
What is your favorite food?
I think I'm gonna say lasagna. Vegetable lasagna.
Vegetable lasagna.
Yes, because
you make a delicious vegetable lasagna.
Well, actually,
no?
my roommate Desi taught me how to make vegetable lasagna.
She learned you. She taught me. I learned from her. You learned from her. From her.
The cheese, the vegetables, the white sauce.
Homemade? It's okay.
How do you make it?
How do you make the vegetable lasagna?
So first, if you put in. So you mix the vegetables with the tomato, then you put the white sauce, then a little cheese, and then a little layer of pasta, and then a layer of pasta.
La pizza is delicious.
See?
And I ate.
No, para. No es pizza.
¿Qué?
Es pizza.
Pizza.
O bueno, o pizza o pizza.
I say pizza.
Pero recién dijiste pizza.
¿Cómo es? Italia is expensive.
Italy is expensive to
It's
eat in
expensive,
Italy.
yeah. Like in Madrid,
I was like, I have a little pizza and a glass of wine. How much? 22 euros. And I was like,
And
nowadays, because restaurants are so packed, you need to make a reservation.
yeah,
Do you know what that is?
reservation is when you call the restaurant and you
So let's
reservation
say
the table
you make a reservation for a table.
reservation for a table.
So let's do a reservation conversation. You call the restaurant. I'm the restaurant.
You are the restaurant and
Yeah.
I'm the person.
Yes, the person.
I have my cell phone.
Oh, okay.
Oh. It's a long number.
Beep, 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 beep.
Hello, welcome to Restaurante. How can I help you? Hi, welcome.
Welcome.
Aguanta.
No, aguanta. Hello, welcome to Antonio's. How can I help you?
Hi, what do you need? I need a reservation or
Oh, you need to make a reservation.
Yeah, I need to make a reservation.
Okay, for when do you want that?
For 4 persons.
For 4 people, so it's a party of 4.
It's a party, and it's a birthday for.
It's a birthday. Congratulations.
Yeah, it's my birthday.
It's my birthday. This night is possible. This night. You mean tonight? Yeah.
So what time would you like that?
9:30.
So 9:30.
9:30.
Let's see. Okay, we have something. We have an opening at 9:30. Okay.
Yeah.
So what is your name?
My name is Sebastian.
Sebastian. Party of 4 at 9:30. Okay, great. Well, thank you very much, Sebastian. I'll see you on the
Yeah,
party.
I have a question. What kind of food are in your restaurant? It's okay?
What kind of food do you serve? Oh yeah, we serve Italian food. It's basically Italian food.
Yeah, this night
Italian cuisine.
have a special.
Do we have a special for tonight?
Yeah, or
The special for tonight is we have
Meat carpaccio as an appetizer. Then we have a vegetable lasagna as a main course. And for dessert, we have affogato.
carpaccio is from
It's meat.
Italian.
yes, no carpaccio, yeah. Carpaccio like raw meat.
Like a soup, soup, but cold.
No, carpaccio I think is like raw meat. So I'll see you tonight at 9:30 for your birthday.
Yeah, thank you, Antonio.
Have a wonderful day. No, my name is Iñaki. Antonio is the name of the restaurant. See you tonight.
Soon.
Bye.
Very good.
Very good.
I have a 2 or 4 or 5 answer. No, a
Questions.
question.